Okay, here we go with equations and inequalities, numbers 12 through 22. Numbers 1 through 11 are in the previous videos. So, number 12, we are still writing an equation and solving for the variable. So a pack of cardinal flower seeds cost $4, and the pack of petunia flower seeds costs $2.50. You buy the same number of packs of each type of flower, and you end up spending $39. So how many packs of each did you buy? So I know I spent a total of $39. I know that the cardinal seeds are 4 and the petunia seeds are $2.50. I don't know how many seeds I purchased of both. So I'm going to use the variable x. And the numbers are the same, so x can be represented for both. First thing I want to do is combine like terms. So 4x's plus 2.5x's will give me 6.50x's. And then I want to divide both sides by 6.50 to see what x is equal to, or how many. So 39 divided by 6.5. So I bought 6 packs of seeds of each kind of flower in order to spend $39. Number 13, an egg carton holds 12 eggs. A breakfast buffet uses 96 eggs by 8 a.m. When the buffet ends at 10:30 a.m., a total of 156 eggs were used. How many cartons of eggs were used after 8 a.m.? So we know that we don't care how, let's see, a buffet uses 96 eggs by 8 a.m. The buffet ends at 10:30. So first of all, we want to see from when the buffet ended and before 8 a.m. we want to see between 8 and 10:30 how much was used. So 156 minus -6. So that means we had 60 eggs used total, and the fact that there's 12 eggs in each carton and they're wanting to know how many cartons of eggs. So I want to divide 60 by 12 to see how many actual cartons. So 5 cartons of eggs were used after 8 a.m. Okay, number 14. We need to write an inequality for the graph. So we have a graph here and it's representing an inequality. So I have an open dot and everything to the right is shaded. So I know that x is going to be greater than the number -1. It's not greater than or equal to because this is an open dot, and because it's shaded in the greater than direction, that's how I know that it's greater than. This one here, I have a closed dot and it's shaded in the less than direction, and it's -2. So x is less than or equal to -2. We need to write a word sentence as an inequality. We can't solve these because it has a variable, so, and it's not going to, let's see, just write the word sentence as an inequality. Okay, a number x divided by -1 is at least -4. So we have x divided by -1 and -4, and if something is at least -4, it would be more than -4, and it could be equal to -4. Number 17, the children in the class are more than 10 years old. So you can use any letter for your variable. I'm going to use x, and they're more than 10, so they're going to be greater than 10. More than means that they can't be 10 exactly, they're older than 10. The minimum cost for parking is $3, so x is going to have to be greater than $3. If the minimum cost is 3, it would be greater than or equal to 3. If the minimum cost is 3, that means that it's not going to go any lower than 3, but it could go higher than 3. 19, 20, 21, and 22 we're solving inequalities. We solve these just like equations. So the opposite of division is multiplication, so I'm gonna multiply both sides by 5. I'm left with P is less than negative 15. This one here, I'm always gonna start with addition or subtraction first. So I'm left with 4z is greater than or equal to positive 2. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4 to get z is greater than or equal to 1/2. Number 21, I see that I need to distribute my 3 to everything inside. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3t plus 6. Start with addition or subtraction first. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And 0 divided by 3 is going to give me 0 is greater than t. And then the last one, number 22. The basketball team spends 20 minutes running laps and at least 15 minutes discussing plays. Practice lasts 1 hour and 45 minutes. Rate an inequality to represent the amount of time to work on drills. So they take 20 minutes running laps and at least 15 minutes discussing plays. Practice lasts 1 hour and 45 minutes. Rate an inequality to represent the amount of time to work on other drills. So we should have 20 plus 15 plus x is going to need to be less than or equal to 1 hour and 45 minutes. We're going to turn that into all minutes. So 105 minutes. So I'm going to combine like terms to give me 35 plus x is less than or equal to 105. And then we're going to subtract 35 from both sides to get x is less than or equal to 70. So you have 70 minutes. You have about 70 minutes to work on those other drills. Great, yay, we're finished.